This compact Beurer HC25 travel hairdryer delivers strong airflow for its size, making it practical for drying hair quickly on the go. Its dual voltage switch means you can use it confidently in different countries without sacrificing performance. The negative ion function helps tame frizz and adds noticeable smoothness and shine, especially on humidity-prone hair. A foldable handle and relatively light weight make it easy to slip into a suitcase or gym bag without taking up much space. Multiple heat and airflow options, plus a cool air setting, give enough control to rough dry, style, and then set the look. Thoughtful touches like the detachable concentrator nozzle, removable filter, and overheating protection make this a reliable and low-maintenance travel companion.